In today's video, I'll be talking to you about a method using which you'll be able to make money from the application called as Reddit. This method is very unique and is not being shared anywhere on the internet right now. And in this method, I'm about to show you something which is going to be very useful to you because this will help you to make money online. Now, you don't have to be present in any particular part of the world to apply this method. You can be from any country of this world and still apply this method. This method is applicable for the users of all age groups, and I'm going to provide you with everything which is needed to use this method in a successful manner. Now before getting started, I'll recommend you to like this video and make sure you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you get updates of our future videos as well. So now let's talk about the first website which is needed for this method to be successful, and that website is called as Digistore24. Now Digistore is a marketplace where you can find lots and lots of amazing products. You can pick any of those products and start promoting them, and in return get up to 70% commission. That's a really good number. So now let me first show you that these products are from digital category, softwares, events, physical products like fitness and equipments, and many more. You need to do very less work and you'll be getting paid in thousands of dollars. That's the best part, and it's very easy. Now you need to understand that on Digistore you'll be having automated sales. Their affiliate network is very large and you'll find wide range of products. They have unique conversion tools using which every sale you make will be tracked. Now they have an amazing dashboard where you can see everything what's going on with your links. They optimize your conversion in such manner that you get the best results. You see, people are able to make 150 pounds easily. This is how you have to make money using this application. They have up to 85% commission, not just 70-85% commission. That's really good. And you can read some amazing reviews of the people who have actually been successful selling using Digistore. So it's a very trusted platform and you can get started with it right now. Now when it comes to payment, you'll be getting paid in PayPal, your cards, or your any bank account. That's the best part. And this can be integrated with many of the marketing software which are available online. So now what you need to do is you need to go to this affiliates page, and on this affiliate page you'll find advertise once, cash in on autopilot. You'll be making money on autopilot. They have over 8,000 products in their marketplace which belongs to 44 categories, and they have some really good rating on Trustpilot. It is perfect for affiliates, publishers, bloggers, influencers, and email list people. Now the process is very simple and can be divided in 4 simple steps. Step 1 is to get registered. That's a simple step. Step 2 is select a product from the marketplace. Step 3 is promote the product to your audience, and step 4 is earning money. Now let's talk about step 2 because I'm sure you'll be able to register at Digistore24. It's not a complicated task. Step 2 is selecting a product from the marketplace. So on the top you'll find a link called as marketplace. I'll open that link. Now in this link you can see there are lots and lots of categories located in the left hand side. You have to pick any one category which you want to promote. So let's say I would like to go along with the category called as green products and environment. So when I go to that category, they have shown that price of this product is $78 and you will be getting 75% whenever someone purchases that product. In the same way, there are many other products available which you can start promoting right now and then make your money instantly. You can also pick any other category which you want to go with. There are family and kids, fitness and health, food and drink, computers and internet, business and investment, animal and pets. There are categories belonging to almost every niche you can imagine, and the commissions offered are great. Like for this one, whenever you make a sale of $75, which is the average price of the product, you'll be making up to 40% commission. Then that's insane because the method I'm about to show you next will tell you how to make these sales easily. So after you have picked any of these products, you just need to click on promote now button and generate your affiliate link. Now when you generate your affiliate link, you have to promote that affiliate link, which I'm about to show you how to do that. And then you'll be making money whenever someone goes to that link and makes a purchase. So it's time for you to start promoting. So to promote it, you need to come to this website called as reddit.com. Reddit is free to use. Now you can go to any of these and see various different type of contents being offered. it's a post on Reddit, it has these many comments. Now you have to go to this comment section and paste your comment along with the link. Now let's say you want to promote an ebook. So you just need to click on this promote now button and then generate the link for your course ebook. Now once you have the link here, you need to go to this amazing platform called as reddit.com. Reddit is the internet's homepage. You can come to Reddit and then you can see lots and lots of posts here. Now you can go to any one of these posts and paste the comment, but what we are going to do is we need to find what you are looking for. So let's say I'm finding ebooks. So I'll search for ebook category and you see there are lots of people belonging to ebook category, and then there are lots of books published here and lots of content related to books. So what you need to do is you need to go to any one of these and then click on this comment area. Now when you are in this comment area, you have the ability to paste a comment. So what you need to do is you need to grab your affiliate link and paste here along with the comment. Now I'm sure you don't want to write all of those comments, so that's why I'm providing you with these comments. So just copy this script which I'm showing you right here. I'll provide you this in the description. Paste it here and that's it. That's all which is needed. Now you need to insert your link here. That's it. That's all which is needed, and you can insert your link here. If you want to make it a hyperlink, you can do that using this option. They themselves provide you with this option and your link will be inserted here. So this is how easy it is. Now once you do that, you just need to click on comment and your comment will be pasted along with the link like this. So this is very easy to use and anyone can do it. It's a great method which works for everyone, including you, including me, including anyone present on earth, as long as they are willing to make the action happen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Now before you quit, I would like you to like this video and press the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you get notifications of our future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.